Hey, this is Dr. Winfield here with our patient Josh. We just finished treatment a little bit ago. He's going to tell us about his experience, what brought him in here, and how it changed his life.
I was in a car accident about 5 years ago. I hit a patch of black ice that kind of flew off a cliff, and that broke pretty much all of my top teeth from here all the way over to here. They were all broken, and I tried everything I possibly could to just cover it up instead of going into the dentist to figure it out. And they just started decaying within a month. Everything was painful. I couldn't eat, I couldn't talk, I couldn't breathe, I couldn't drink water. Everything just was really hurt until I went in and had all of my teeth removed. But I went into somebody else who put in implants. They didn't do it right, and then they disappeared. So I called here, and you guys got it done almost immediately and got it done right. So I don't have any pain. I can eat now. I haven't had an apple in 5 years. The first time I've had an apple was like 3 days ago. It was amazing. I don't have to eat pizza with a fork and a knife anymore. I can do things like go swimming in the lake without having to worry about my partial falling out. And this is the best thing I've ever done, honestly.
To give a little bit of background, Josh came to me. He had 5 implants in that had never been restored. I think you had them for 3 years or something like that?
About 3 years.
They were spread out. When I opened them up, they all had bone loss on them. So I removed all 5 implants, placed 4 new ones, and did basically a mini all-on-X. We didn't take out any more teeth, just removed the implants, placed new ones, and now he's got 8 new teeth on top with the whole prosthesis as one. Eating apples, that was a big one. You told me that today.
That was the only thing I was looking forward to, was eating an apple.
Awesome. Well, yeah, thank you for sharing it.
Yeah, of course, thank you. I couldn't be happier, honestly.
Teeth. Yeah, nice.
They look a little better than your last ones?
Yes. And I'm not drowning on them either.
Nice.
You know, they were back.
Oh, they're gagging you, huh?
Yeah, these are nice.
Nice. And these are just attempts, so we'll even get the next ones looking better. So.
Yeah, no, these are great. I can eat.
It's like old home being back to have my teeth cleaned. I enjoy coming here because everybody's friendly and everything is well explained. I ended up having my teeth done at another facility in Las Vegas, and it was a one-day event, and then I broke my teeth and had to have them repaired. My first time, my whole face was black and blue. I looked like I had gone through a trauma center and just constant bleeding. And so I was transferred to Dr. Winfield, and he repaired them. This time I didn't experience that at all. This is my first cleaning being back. I have enjoyed the experience very much, and I like my teeth. If I have any problems with them, I just let them know, and they take care of the problem. I can tell that they're not moving, which is good, and I look forward to coming back. I think important is to choose a place where you're happy to come back. They're great at scheduling you for when it best meets your needs, either morning or afternoon. So that experience is very good.
They look really good, right?
Oh my god, I
Looks
would like
like-
to hug you. Thank you, thank you, thank
Of
you,
course.
thank you.
They look really, really good. I'm super happy.
Oh my god.
I would say to everyone not to be scared because this is a process that it's unbelievable. For me, it changed completely my life because I went through a lot all my years with, problem in my teeth since I was a child. And it was no pain. I got the surgery. It was just like the next day I was ready to go. It was no problems at all. And it made me feel comfortable. And that to me was a big deal. So I was always be terrorized by this. And you make me feel like first time I saw you, I was like, this is it. This is the guy. I told my husband too, just like he makes me feel comfortable. And that was huge. And I feel now that they're my teeth. I don't feel no pain. Can do anything I want. I'm very grateful, very happy. I'm glad I met you. You're a wonderful guy. And I would say to everyone, don't be scared and go for it and get another red.
The treatment that we did do was we did full upper teeth removal and placed 6 implants, and it's called all on X or an all on 6, but there is no gum tissue in the teeth. It's a FP1 prosthesis for the dentists looking at this who understand these types of procedures. So it's a very technique sensitive procedure. Overall, I think we got as close to ideal results as we possibly could. And I'm super stoked for her, and I know it sounds like she's pretty stoked.
So I really am. I'm very grateful. I'm very happy that I finally got them worth it. That's what I would say. Worth it. Because all of you, not just him, all of you here are just wonderful. It make me feel like,
I was in a traumatic accident, unfortunately. I did knock out a couple of my teeth and was in dire need. As a mother, as a real estate agent, I feel that having a smile is something that you really need. It's like everything to me. They were so concerned because I was scared, and they welcomed me with a warm heart. I was with Dr. Winfield, and he's great. He, now he's my friend. It's like I found a brother. They did a few root canals, and they did a whole top case of veneers, and they came out beautiful. I couldn't believe that I got my smile that I never thought I was gonna get back.
Been having some problems with my teeth for a while. I found out it's actually hereditary. And I just recently moved to Reno at the beginning of the year. I thought, hey, I might as well get a fresh start with some new teeth as well. Before I even showed up here, their communication was very good. It's a positive vibe here. I had my full bottom arc and they pulled 16 teeth. The process is excellent. It made me feel very comfortable that he was very confident in what he was doing. This place just seems so modern and new. They're using all the cool gadgets and technologies to make you as comfortable as possible. What they did really good because it's feeling good.
had a previous crown done and it fell out. So I had to have the whole tooth removed. And then it came about that I needed a full implant. So I started looking around and just really liked this practice. Everyone's really welcoming just as you walk in, and the front desk gives you a lot of information from the beginning so you know what you're getting into and you know all of your payment choices and how the appointments are going to go. I like that they give you a sheet with everything that you can get done and, you know, kind of base it off of what you can afford. They have really state-of-the-art equipment here. Pretty much everything that they do, it's really high-end. They pay attention to detail here. So it's just a really positive experience here.
I had a bridge for about 40 some years. I was in pain for a long time with that bridge pushing down into my gums. And it finally just collapsed. I went to my regular dentist and he said, I can't do anything with that. So he referred me to Dr. Winfield. I came in here and he took one look at my mouth. He says, oh, I can fix that. And he did. He explained everything to me, what he was going to do and how he was going to do it. He took the bridge out, fixed that up, put a new bridge in, everything is fine. I finally found somebody that knew what he was doing. And even afterwards, he said, any problems, just call me, come back. They treat you like family in this place. I was very, very impressed. I would certainly recommend this organization. It's just fantastic people.
This is Dr. Winfield. I'm here with our patient Carrie. We just finished treatment today actually. She just got her finals, which we're super stoked about. Her experience is a little bit different than most. Her case was, I would say, more on the more complex side. So I just wanted to hear about your experience and what you're stoked for now.
I'm a neck and head cancer patient 2 times, so did not think that this was even possible for me. I was directed to Dr. Dam from my regular dentist, who said he was a genius, so I took her word for it. He then looked and gave me hope, and I was so excited about the possibilities. I followed every direction. That's the key. And can't believe I'm finally here, and I have teeth. Something I never thought was going to be possible for me.
To give a little bit of background, Carrie was referred, again by a general dentist, and we all weren't sure if things would be possible. We had lack of bone, which is why we had to do zygomatic implants. We had radiation therapy that happened, so a lot of complexities to the case, but we were able to do full tooth removal, full upper and lower replacement. Look at that smile. Now she can't stop smiling.
And what for me, one of the great things that I can eat anything I want now.
Exactly. What's the first thing you're gonna go eat?
I'm having a steak kebab.
Oh, heck yeah. Nice. And what was your diet like before, if you don't mind sharing that?
Well, I could eat stuff. Most of it was soft, but it was trying to chew. I choked a lot because I wasn't able to chew my food well enough. Mm-hmm. I had a tumor removed, and it was on the back of my tongue, and so I had to have my tongue reconstructed. So they're not only dealing with the bone and radiation, they were also dealing, I have extreme dry mouth and just other challenges that they were able to overcome.
Hey, this is Dr. Winfield. I'm here with our patient Gene. We just recently finished all on X treatment on the upper and lower, and I wanted to hear about his experience.
For me, it was a great experience. It turned out great.
To give everybody a little background, I worked with Dr. Riccardi on the case. He referred to me to do the prosthetic part. We did both arches, upper and lower, all in a day. We removed all the teeth, placed 12 implants, 6 on the upper, 6 on the lower. And now you have double arch zirconia, so the very strong material prosthetics that are fixed and do not come in and out. How would you say your life has changed since, I would say, before coming here?
Losing your teeth, like I did, becomes pretty problematic after a while when they keep falling out and there's nothing you can do about it. When you get tired of going to the doctor to get cavities filled and the insurance won't pay for it and all that stuff. Coming in here, I'm glad I went through with it. It's the best option for me, so couldn't be happier. I can eat anything I want now without any fear of anything happening. I don't put any restrictions on myself as far as what I eat. I just eat whatever I would eat normally now, so that's a big advantage.
For people that are fearful of pain, I would say that's a big fear that everyone has. What was your pain level from, I would say, 0 to 10 at the worst point during the process, and how fast did it go away, and what are your pain levels?
I was never really in a lot of pain or some pain that I couldn't deal with. I wouldn't change anything. One thing I can say about you especially, and the staff, you couldn't ask for a better group of people. I mean, you're having to deal with me, and I'm pretty particular and probably ask a lot of questions, but you know, everybody here is great to deal with. Everybody has a sense of humor, which is nice to have in this kind of environment. From the beginning to the end, it's been good.